Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. We're on a fantastic new listing, which is a lovely 4-bedroom detached family home over on Clifton Road in Monton. So as you can see, you've got plenty of space for off-road parking to the front. There's the electric charging point just next to the garage. Property is laid over 3 fabulous floors, 4 generous sized bedrooms, family bathroom, the ensuite, and then straight as we come in off the entrance hallway into this open plan kitchen, living, dining space, which flows through to this private southwest facing rear garden, access along both sides, external tap, and you also do have further access into the garage. As we head up to the first floor, you've got the family lounge, the Juliet balcony, family bathroom, and 2 bedrooms. So this now is the smallest of the 4 rooms. With the double bedroom overlooking the front of the property. Family bathroom, shower over the tub, and on through to the family lounge. Nice and light in here. You've got the window at the front, and then again the Juliet balcony overlooking the rear garden. As we continue to the second floor, there are 2 further double bedrooms, ensuite off the master, bit of storage, and the water tank just in the cupboard off the landing. And you've got a brilliant double closet, as well as access into the loft. Off this double room, across the landing into the master bedroom. Again, really well presented, as you will see throughout the whole property. Into the ensuite, shower cubicle, storage beneath the sink. As mentioned, we are on Clifton Road in Monton. So we'll be within catchment for outstanding schools, both St Mary's and Monton Green Primary. We've got the buzz of the high street with all the bars, shops and restaurants. Excellent transport links, train, bus and tram stations back into Eccles centre, and you've got brilliant motorway links surrounding yourself here. So if you would like to come along and view this fantastic property, which is the perfect family home, 4-bedroom detached, do come along and give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.